Hi, in this video we're going to talk about some of the key features of the Zebronics ZEB Evolve wireless neckband earphone. The ZEB Evolve comes with a powerful rechargeable battery. It gives 2 hours of playback after 10 minutes of charge. The total charging time of this particular earphone is 1 hour and the total standby time is 40 hours. This is a neckband style earphone that comes with 10mm audio drivers for sharp and clear sounds. This neckband style earphone also sports a magnetic earpiece that comes with dual pairing features. Finally, the Zebronics ZEB Evolve wireless neckband earphone supports Bluetooth 5.0. Now those were some of the key features of this particular neckband earphone. Thank you for watching.